gonna get old Shirley Valentine up in this joint because I'm gonna do a recipe that's in my book. It's my Greek baked eggs. It's nice and simple, it's perfect for brunch or lunch. Let's go. I need a cast iron skillet or a pan that's gonna be okay being put into the oven. To that, add some olive oil, a chopped clove of garlic and some chili peppers and put on a low heat. Now the reason we do it in a cold pan and not put it into a hot pan is so it doesn't burn. It will come up to temperature and start to brown. As soon as it starts to brown, add a tin of chopped tomatoes and let that reduce until all the liquid part is gone. So once it's reduced down and it's starting to look a little bit thicker, it's time to season with a little bit of salt. And to counteract the acidity of the tomatoes, just a teaspoon or so of sugar, mix that in. To that, a chopped tomato, just for a bit of freshness, and a little bit of red pepper, put that in there as well. Give it a good mix, and then just let that reduce down for another 5 minutes until it's thick-ish. So after a few minutes of reducing, this is what we want. Just so that when you push your spoon in, it's not filling up with water. To that, some torn oregano and some black and white olives. And give it a mix. I've got 2 Clarence Court Burford Browns that I'm going to drop into 2 little holes that I've made into the sauce, and that's going to go into the oven to bake for 5 to 10 minutes. Out the oven, sprinkle with some feta, and then I've got some Greek basil, which is delicious. Then final little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and get those pitters toasting to dip. And there we go. Some super delicious, lovely runny yolked Greek baked eggs with Burford Browns. Delish. Give it a go. It's perfect for brunch this bank holiday weekend.